you doing, David?
What are you on here?
He can't get an American.
Yeah.
He's like going to German
like a
shows.
Fuck up and nice.
He's getting weirder with age, I think. That asshole. Oh, this is forever. Does he have like a CD out?
No. I hope not. Did you see the video when he's all wasted, like yelling, swearing at his daughter?
No.
Yeah.
On YouTube?
Yeah. Like,